Bearded yakking again. This video is new Stanley Freebie. I mean, this thing is cool. The color of it I can care less about, but this guy right here, see, here was a freebie. Stanley Black Chrome 120 tooth ratchet. This sucker's heavy too. So let's pop this guy out of here. Son of a bitch. We got a little trouble. There it is. Got right here. Back up the focus. Oh, hold on. Use it as a hammer for a second. Yeah, I didn't kill it. The freaking bee flying around at night. Got him that time. Oh, and it's squished. Wipe it off on the shirt. Alright, back to this. Listen to the teeth. Tell you what, it feels pretty good to me. You know? There's a model number. Write it down if you'd like to check one out. Like I said, this here was a freebie. So there's nothing to scan. You know what I mean? No Mylar tag on the back. You know? So basically what it was, so a truck come in at work today, and he was like, "Hey man, you look like a tool goer." I was like, "Yeah, I like tools." He was like, "Well, I just left Walmart with a couple damaged boxes." And he had a whole box of these, and they fell out. They fell out in the truck. And a couple of us at work got them. You know what I mean? And so, yeah, that's how I acquired it. They were laying on the deck of his trailer, the box trailer. So all he did was kicked it along the floor to me. I was like, sweet, cool. I was looking at it, 120 tooth. Alright. So, that's how I acquired it. Not bad for a freebie, though. You know what I mean? It's nice and heavy. I like the length of it. You know, it's 1/2 inch drive, which I'd have preferred if it was 3/8, but I'll take 1/2 inch. I gotta get some more 1/2 inch sockets anyway. So now I'm done with that. I'm gonna do a quick review. Now, like me as a DIYer, don't mind the box. I just use this box for storage for this device in here. But see, I like to check stuff on my own before I take it to the shop or something, you know what I mean? This here an OBD scan tool. You know what I mean? That's all it is. I link it to my phone through Bluetooth, or I can link it through Bluetooth on my laptop, my piece of shit laptop that I don't use. I got this a while ago when I had a problem, and kept coming up evap code. That's where the Mopar box came from. So I was digging into it and I was like, shit. And so check engine light was on for an evap code. Thank God I ordered this, because all I had to do was order a new gas cap. And so when I got this gas cap, put the gas cap on, went in, check engine light was still on, cleared the code, waited about a day or so, nothing, you know what I mean? No, didn't come on, check engine light didn't come on for a while. Then it came back on. I was like, shit, let me get this guy out. I can't tell you what the code was offhand, but my vehicle is known for electrical problems. And the code that popped up for check engine light was the CCM. It was a code for the CCM, which in my knowledge would be the computer control module. So I'm sitting there for a while thinking, shit, so what's that going to mean? Well, I cleared the code, haven't had a problem since. So out there, I think I paid for this, I think I paid $12 for this off of Amazon. So for me, being a DIYer, this works for me. Now if you're in the professional field where you're actually doing it every day, all day, you better use a professional grade. You know what I mean? I also use this to help my buddy out too. He couldn't figure out why his truck kept having some hiccups, and while we popped it in here, he had like 3 misfires. He had a misfire in cylinder 1, misfire in cylinder 3, and I believe 1 in cylinder 4. So we got that all straightened out, and he hasn't had a problem since. So for DIYers, I recommend this guy here. Don't spend the big money unless you're doing it on the side all the time, you know what I mean? This here will get you by, get you going. You can do everything with it. You can check all your pressure, oil pressure, all that shit with it. Fluid temps, you know what I mean? Pretty much everything. You can clear codes out, all that shit. Reset stuff with it. You know what I mean? So you can actually also, when you plug this in, you can also save your computer settings with it. You know what I mean? And then when you ever replace the computer or something, pop this bad boy in and, you know, everything, and restore. You can restore everything to the computer, to the new computer. Download it to it, you know what I mean? So this here, the Cobra OBD and OBD2. So that's about it for this video. Let me know what you think about the Freebie Ratchet and the OBD scanner. This is Bearded Yakking. And look for me in a live stream. We are out. Like, comment, subscribe. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Give me the middle finger in a comment. But we are out. Later. Alright guys, it's Bearded Yakking again. This video is new Stanley Freebie. I mean, this thing is cool. The color of it I can care less about. But this guy right here. This here was a freebie. Stanley Black Chrome 120 tooth ratchet. This sucker's heavy too. So let's pop this guy out of here. Son of a bitch. There we go, a little trouble.